Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to log back into Oculus Quest 2 account. So first of all, it's not called Oculus anymore. If you go as example to any store, Play Store, App Store, whatever it is, and look for Oculus as example, or even Oculus Quest 2, you'll find this Meta Horizon instead. So it's called Meta Horizon at the moment. You can go and log in into it or log in back into your Oculus 2 account, but now it will be as example through the Meta. So if you don't have a Meta account connected into your old accounts, you probably will not be able to get it unless you have an example the email or something like that. You will be able to do it. So as an example, you can go and click on login, enter as example your email or username, click on next. If you forgot a password, you can click on forgot a password and try to log in into it. If you are on PC as an example, you can also go to meta.com/login and make sure to choose your what you originally signed in with, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Meta account as example, or even an old Oculus account. You can even reset your password example if you forget it, as we said, and you should be good to go. So that's the only option to log in with your Oculus Quest 2. You'll have to remember either an example the username or email that you used. Even if you have a link, the number, it will be good because it's merged with Meta at the moment. So your old account, of course, can be recovered and logged in back to, but the method depends on whatever you used, Facebook account, Meta account, or Oculus account originally. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.